Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel called Business Channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my mini revival kit from INUKA. So let's get into it. I joined INUKA during level 4 of the lockdown. So my kit came with lotions because it was illegal to sell 2020. It was actually illegal to sell perfumes during level 4. So my kit didn't come with perfumes because normally the INUKA kits come with perfumes. So instead I got lotions, and I never got the perfume samples. And then I did try to purchase some by myself, but now I was running out. Hence, I decided to buy the mini revival kit because I mostly wanted the perfume samples. My kit came in this box. So they write INUKA revival kit. It comes in this box, and then I already opened the box because I wanted to be sure it was it inside, and I will insert a video of me actually opening the box right now. When you open the box, this is what you see. So you see this, and then you can just take this out. I like to apologize for the lighting. I'm filming in the evening because I couldn't during the day. I was quite busy, so this is the only time I have now, and I want to use this content. So if I don't do the video now, it's gonna be a problem. So anyway, this is what the kit comes in. It comes in this suitcase box type of situation. It has this handle over here. Then when you open it, then the first thing that you see is this. So this is how it's packed. So I'm just gonna go through the contents with you guys. So firstly, you get the business guide. So this is this year's business guide. It's what guides us actually in how to run the businesses, the prices, and then it tells us about the products, the ranges, the costs, and all that stuff. So you find that all in this business kit. And then I also got this checklist. I also got this checklist which shows me what's actually inside this mini revival kit. And then I also got membership registration forms. And I also got these order forms. I don't think I'm gonna use these because I order using the online version. So this are the order forms. Same goes with this, the registration forms. I don't think I'm gonna use them. And then okay, this is exciting. So I also got General Fragrance information card thingy, and then it also comes with General Fragrance group. So this shows me the different groups of fragrances. You have your mini floral, your feminine floral, feminine oriental, oriental spicy and stuff. But basically it shows you which the INUKA perfumes, which groups they belong to. So if someone wants something musky, you can come here and then you can tell them which perfumes fall under that group, and then they can order in that way. Yeah. And then I also got this information brochures. So it just tells you here about the business. So INUKA Business offers 6 ways to earn in benefits, a business opportunity. So you can just write your details over here, and then you hand them out to people. I think this will come in handy when I'm doing like physical presentations, and then I can just give them out to people and stuff like that. And then I got the current business brochures. It comes with the current business brochures, and then with the business brochures it just also lists our products and their recommended retail prices. I'm gonna see if I can open this. So also with the product brochures, you can give them out to people. So you write your details at the back, and then you can hand them out to people, and then it just shows the products that we have and the prices as well. So yeah, I got these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's 10 business brochures. And then I got the branded plastic bags. So this is what they look like. So when someone buys from you, you can just put your stuff in here. And then I got these. So these are the business card perfume type of thing. Okay, the lighting. Yeah, I think you can see it from here. Let me try this. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so you just write your name, you write the fragrance, you spray the fragrance over here, and then yeah, I love these because when people order like your hair products, skincare products, and then I can just put this in there so that when they smell it, they can then know that we have perfumes that smell nice as well, and then I can also convert them into perfume clients, if that makes any sense. And then I got an INUKA pen. It's branded, so I also got the INUKA pen. And then I was confused with these coffee beans. I didn't understand what the coffee beans were for, but actually they're very helpful. So it says here, INUKA coffee beans. Okay, these are the coffee beans. And then there's this writing over here. So it says, let me see if I can read this. It says, INUKA coffee beans smell your coffee beans to clear your nose when smelling various fragrances. The coffee bean aroma will clear your nose so that you can get a better idea what the perfume actually smells like. Oh, so when you smell a perfume, then you come and smell the beans and then go smell a different perfume. So it's going to come in handy when people, especially when I have new customers that wants to smell the different perfumes that I have, so they can decide which one they want. So they can smell the perfume and then smell this and then get a fresh smell of the next perfume, I guess. So those are also going to come in very handy. And then most importantly, I got these 18 samples. On the guide when I bought them, I think they also said that I'm gonna get a sample for a tissue oil and the skin clearing. So I'm guessing they were out, and then they just gave me 18 perfume samples instead. So it's 18 of these. I'm trying to take them out. Oh my gosh. So it's 18 of these perfumes and samples. So these ones I'm gonna use them as testers. This is how tiny they are. When I use them as testers, because I do have a taster bag that I can put them in, so that when I'm going around marketing my stuff, and then I'll use these testers for people who have not yet used INUKA, or for people who wish to change, or they want to order more than another perfume instead of the one they regularly purchase. My testers are actually gonna go here. I'm gonna put my testers here. I'm gonna put them here. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can like, comment, subscribe, share, do the most. If you have any questions regarding INUKA or any other thing that has to do with the business, you can leave your comment down below in the comment section. You can also follow me on Facebook. I'm going to leave my link in the description box. If you want to join INUKA, I can help you out with that. If you want to know more about INUKA, I can help you with that as well. And if you're just interested in the products, I can also help you with that as well. I am a pearl leader at INUKA, so yeah, I think I know my way around the business, and I can share some information with you if you're interested in the business. And yeah, do the most, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, never say no to a crown.